Good day mga ka-learners. Ito dapat ang hindi nyo makalimutan na mag-subscribe at smash notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong learning videos natin dito sa channel na to.
Hey, good day again to my fellow learners out there. On my previous video, I know that you have heard that we were going to explain there about how to convert improper fraction to mixed form, or to mixed form to improper fraction, but I've come up with something that I should not include it there because I don't want to spend a lot of time in one video that you didn't learn something, okay? Gusto ko pong kunin nyo ang karunungan ng paunti-unti para pumasok talaga sa ating kalamnan. What I mean, into our brain, and keep it in our heart, okay? Do not forget that. Sinadya ko po talaga yon. Tsaka wala pong free quiz doon. Baka dito magkaka-free quiz tayo. Kaya mag-abang-abang lang kayo dyan mga ka-learners. Tumutok lamang kayo ang ating topic, improper to mixed form or mixed form to improper fraction. So, paano nga ba gawin ang paraang ito? Maraming nagtatanong, maraming nagtataka kung paano. Sa mga hindi pa marunong dyan, tumutok kayo. At sa mga marunong na nakalimutan, tumutok pa rin kayo. At sa mga marunong na talaga, i-share nyo to sa mga hindi pa ganun karunong. Ano pa po ang hinihintay natin? What we're waiting for will start now. But before anything else, kindly do not forget to subscribe to update on my new video. Okay, if you come to like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and do not forget to share this video to those people who really wants to learn, mga ka-learners. So start. First, we're going to solve here an improper topics. Maybe what you call this. Maybe you're sort of wondering on how we're going to do that. But all you need to do is to watch this video. Watch this video and listen carefully. We have improper to mixed form. In our previous video, we have learned that improper fraction has a greater numerator. So what would be our example? We have 7 halves. Okay, 7 halves. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, we have a larger numerator. Okay, according to the definition that we have given in our last video, mga ka-learners, do not forget that. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood, panoorin nyo na lang po. Nasa description natin ang link. Okay, link ng ating mga previous video na ginawa kung gusto nyo pang manood at saka matuto pa. So we have 7 halves. So how we'll convert it to mixed form? First, we're going to to use the law of division. What is that law? The law of division, okay, our denominator, okay, because this symbol, this line bar, okay, this line bar between 7 and 2, this also means of dividing a number. Okay, if you have 7 halves, it only means also that you're going to divide 7 to 2. So it can be also read as 7 divided by 2. Therefore, enable for us to convert improper fraction to mixed form, all we need to do is to divide 7 by 2. So what would be our divisor or dividend? So our denominator here, the 2, it will be our divisor. Okay, the divisor is always placed outside what? Outside the house, the division house, also called division house. Okay, this symbol is known to us as divide. Okay, if you will see this kind of symbol, nasabi din natin agad na magdi-divide yan. Tama. If we will see this kind of symbol, the thing that comes into our mind is division, something like that. So 2 divided by 7. So here, if you already forgotten how to divide, just simple. Okay? Come to think of a number. Mag-isip po kayo ng number na pwede nyong i-times sa 2 na hindi ilalagpas sa 7. That's the rule of dividing a number. Okay? This is our divisor. Divisor. Okay? Divisor. Yan. And the number inside is the dividend. Okay? Do not forget that. Dividend. If someone will going to ask you where is the divisor or the dividend, you can easily answer the question. Okay? The divisor and the dividend. So it was just a quick review of our fundamental operation rules in division. So 2. What is the number that we're going to multiply to 2 na hindi lalagpas sa 7? We have 3. Because if we're going to multiply 3 by 2, we have the answer of 6. Okay, so now what we're going to do to the dividend and the product of 2 and 3. What we're going to do? So simple, we're just going to subtract. Ima-minus po natin. 7 minus 6, we have 1. So this one is also known as remainder. In division, tinatawag po ito na remainder. At yung sagot naman po sa division, yung sagot natin sa taas, tinatawag na quotient. Do not ever forget this, mga ka-learners, because it is very, very important. Quotient. And this is the divisor. Okay, divisor. And this is 7 is the dividend. Okay, do not forget that. This matter is really, really important. Okay, dividend. So how are we going to arrange it, able for us to have a mixed form, an improper fraction to mixed form? So it's easy. We'll just remove this. Okay, yung sobrang tayo. Okay, here our divisor will remain as our denominator. Okay, nothing change. Okay, the divisor or the denominator will remain as denominator. Okay, and the remainder will come on the top. That turns out to be our numerator, and the quotient will be our whole number. Okay, 3 and 1/2. It seems like that they are turning position, changing position each other. Did you get my fellow learners? Do you understand on how I get that answer? If you don't, I will give you some example, and I will give you more example. We will just erase this. Okay, so the answer on 7/2, we have we have 3 and 1/2. Okay, 3 and 1/2. 3 and 1/2. So we have we have 8/3. 8/3. So how are we going to convert that improper fraction to mixed form? It's easy. It's like what we have said earlier. All you need is to divide denominator to numerator. So come to think of a number that you are going to multiply on 3 and will not surpass this number 8 in accordance to the value. Okay, what would be that number? It is 2. Okay, only 2, because 2 times 3, we have 6. We have a product of 6, and then the 8 and the product will be will be subtracted. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Okay, the remainder is 2 and the quotient is 2. We're going to what? Interchange their position. The 3 will go to the bottom. Okay, remain as our denominator. And the 2 will go on the top to be our new numerator. And the 2, our quotient, will become our new what? Whole number. So we have 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3. My dear learners, we have 2 and 2/3. So enable for us to check if this mixed form is correct, if our converting is correct. All we need to do is to transfer, to convert mixed form, this mixed form to improper fraction. So how will we going to do that? It's simple. Okay, we'll rewrite this 3 and 1/2 here. We have 3 and 1/2. So how are we going to convert this mixed form to improper fraction? Simple. The first thing you need to do is to multiply the whole number 3. Okay, you will going to multiply this 3 to the denominator 2. Okay, multiply. All you need is to multiply. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And the product or the result of what you're doing, the multiplying the 3 and 2, the product or the result is 6. So the last thing that you are going to do is to add the result to the numerator, add the addition. So 6 plus 1 is, we have 7. So the denominator will remain as usual. Nothing will change. So we have 7/2 or 7/2. Okay, therefore we got it right. Okay, hopefully you understand. And the next one, we have 2/2. Right, 2 and 2/3. The first thing that we do is we're going to multiply this whole number to the denominator. Going to multiply that, and then the product will become, and the product will be what? Will be 6. And the product or the result of the multiplication will be going to add to the numerator. Okay, first multiply here like that, and the product and the result is 6 will be added to numerator 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So the denominator will remain as is. Okay, we have 8/3. So as we have what we have seen there, okay, everything is equal. Everything is equal. Nothing more, nothing less. Understood? Hopefully, if you have some question, kindly comment me below. If you have some clarification on our topic about this converting improper to mixed form or mixed form to improper fraction. But in assurance that you really understand our topic for today, I will give you some free quiz. In a count of 3, just blow up your screen and everything will be disappeared. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, everything is clear. So now just wait for a while and I will give you some quiz. So this is our free quiz. Hopefully you will answer it all correctly. Okay, it's just easy. I'll give you some times, or if you want, just pause this video. You will to answer it well. So I'll put some card. a joke. Well, you thought it's all gone, but it's not. It's still there. Copy the problem and solve it in your paper. Solve it on your paper. Solve it on your scratch paper. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, just chillax and solve this problem. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, how's you doing? Are you all good there? I know you start smiling because you have say something that makes this problem easier. Okay, am I right, learners? So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully nadadami pa po ang mga ka-learners natin dito. Mag-invite lang po kayo. Kung naintindihan niyo po ako ng maigi, paki-comment naman po kung mayroon kayo suggestion, clarification, or something na gusto niyong sabihin sa akin, pag-comment na lang po. At saka kung may gusto kayong ipaturo sa akin na talagang gusto niyong alamin, paki-comment down below na po. And thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you have learned a lot from here, mga ka-learners. And hopefully you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.